We all look forward to this time of the year where we can buy new items to decorate our home. But no expensive store bought decor element is as beautiful and unique as the one you can make yourself. So, here I am going to share few very easy DIYs to decorate your home and gift your loved ones this Diwali. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are fine and enjoying the festivals. Let's begin with the DIYs. For my first DIY, I have taken this plain wooden tray and I am going to paint it in a traditional way using some bright colors. First, I am priming the tray with white acrylic color so that whatever base color I use will pop up nicely. Next, I am using this bright yellow color as base color for the tray. Once the base color is dried, I am coloring the edges of the tray with golden metallic color. All the colors that I'll be using here are acrylic colors. Next, I am dividing the base of the tray into rectangular sections using masking tape. Now I am going to fill the section between the two masking tapes with red color. Once the paint is dried, I have removed the masking tapes. And now I am drawing few elephants in Madhubani painting style. And color the elephants with another contrasting color to make it pop up nicely. Here I am making few dots using golden acrylic color to make the border for the red section. You can make any kind of design you like. Now I am using white acrylic color to make some mandala art design forms inside the elephant. Using some bright colors and few traditional art forms is giving this tray a very nice traditional look. You can do the same to any of your old or new plastic tray or any plate also. Like I have done the same to this yellow plastic plate. First, given it a base coat of red acrylic color. Then I am making a circle inside it using a smaller plate. And one more circle inside using even more smaller plate. And now I have filled the middle section with a contrasting color and making few dots for its border using red acrylic color. and have made the same elephant design in the center. You can even make some other design if you want. You can use these trays to make gift hamper to gift your loved ones. Or use it to serve festive treats to your guests. And of course as a display decor element too. I have made this bottle lamp too using the same technique, and all the three elements are making a great set to gift or decorate your home. To paint the bottle, I have used sponge as it is easier to paint it this way. Here also for priming I am using white acrylic color, and after it dries I have used yellow as the base color. Now I have created a cylindrical section using masking tape and going to paint the inner part with red acrylic color, or you can use any contrasting color tone. I am painting some part of the neck of the bottle too with the same red acrylic color. Making dots with golden acrylic color to create the border. Making the same elephant design to make it as a set with the trays. Once the paint is completely dried, make sure to apply a layer of varnish so that the paint won't get off. Just insert some fairy lights inside, and here is our very beautiful Diwali lamp ready. Next DIY are these beautiful decorative diya. For making this, I am using our traditional handmade mitti ka diya. Instead of buying wax candles and factory made diyas, I request you all to buy these kind of handmade diyas from the artisans to support them. You can always do some small DIYs to make them look more beautiful. Here I have taken waste CD cassettes and I am going to paint them with the color of my choice. And now I am painting the diyas too with a contrasting color. Here I have taken a simple golden lace to decorate the CD. You can use kundan or even paint. Now I am going to stick the diyas to the center of the CD. And now I am making few mandala dots using golden acrylic color. Here I am using the back of the paintbrush to make the dots. Instead of using paints, you can use pearls, kundans or anything else to make it beautiful in your own way. And here are our two beautiful decorative diyas ready. Hope you liked these DIYs. I have tried to keep them simple and easy so that you can make them even in the last moment with the items available in your home. So do try them and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali.